Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda CRV service light. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This initial step is crucial for accessing the maintenance system correctly and safely. It prepares your vehicle for the next steps in the reset process. Next, you'll need to find the maintenance information. For many models, use the Select or Reset button on your dashboard or steering wheel to cycle through the display until you see Maintenance Minder or Oil Life. If you have a newer CRV, navigate to Settings on your infotainment screen, then select Vehicle and Maintenance Info. Once you see the Oil Life display, press and hold the Select or Reset button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage start to blink. Release the button, then press and hold it again for another 5 to 10 seconds. The display should then reset to 100%, confirming the reset. To verify the reset, turn your ignition off, then start the engine. The service light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. Remember, this reset should only be performed after you have completed the necessary maintenance, such as an oil change. This ensures your vehicle's maintenance schedule remains accurate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.